Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Automatic Watches in 2022.
Top 1.
Watch Winder. Adjustable upgraded watch pillows, 8 winding spaces watch winders for automatic watches, built-in illumination. High-end craftsmanship watch winder. Featuring a beautiful high-gloss carbon fiber exterior plus Japanese motor, running on AC adapter, included. LCD touchscreen display and LED lighting. LCD touchscreen control allows you to set each winder to the desired settings for your watch. Built-in LED light illumination and digital display, you can get your watches accurately and quickly even in the dark. Fits most watches. 8 adjustable and flexible watch pillows for a variety of watch band sizes. 12 o'clock position replacement. The winder will stop working after 12 hours working, then after 12 hours resting, it starts working. Fits most watches. 8 adjustable and flexible watch pillows for a variety of watch band sizes.
Top 2.
Watch winder for automatic watches, carbon fiber shell with high gloss lacquer, upgraded adjustable watch pillows fit for universal lady and men's watch, built-in illumination. Spacious interior 8 winder pace plus 6 storage space to collect your beloved watches. Compact and refined design to eliminate friction between watches. 2 extra varied size watch pillow include fit universal watches of different length of strap from 47mm to 73mm. High security and best decoration. The display cabinet lid will be locked when the front door is closed. Protect your precious watches from any loss or damage. Strong acrylic glass for better view of timepieces makes it not only a watch winder but also an elegant and classic decoration of your home. LCD touchscreen display and extremely quiet motor. LCD touchscreen make it easier to set up unique setting to each of your watch. Adopt advanced motor.
Top 3.
iRoll watch winder for April 6, 12 automatic watch with ultra-quiet Japanese motors, flexible watch pillow, walnut wooden shell, built-in LED illumination and LCD touchscreen control. Excellent pillows. iRoll watch winder comes with high-quality retractable watch pillow, which fits for a watch strap. Inner diameter range in 45mm/1.8 inches, 65mm/2.6 inches watch. No matter which brands your watch is, this watch winder is compatible with all your watch collection. Exquisite design. iRoll watch winder has 6 winding spaces, which provides maximum flexibility. It features velvet lining, which can be visible through crystal glass. Built-in LED lighting. The exterior is crafted from the finest walnut wooden. Japanese silent motor. iRoll automatic watch winder adopts low acoustical noise Japanese motor to rotate your watches. The imported
Top 4.
Cheopz safe watch winder box for 6 automatic watches, and multi-jewelry storage with lock security. Strong security and LCD touch panel. Cheopz safe watch winder features the solid steel construction with 18mm explosion-proof glass window, dual locking bolts and a pry-resistant hinge bar, detector alarm system, pre-drilled holes for wall/floor mounting and LCD display touch panel on the door. Professional watch winder with silent gear-driven Japanese motors. This safe winder can store 6 auto watches with flex foam cushions. By LCD controller, Easy to set 5 TPDs and 3 rotation directions for each watch holder. Also control the internal motion sensing LED light on/off.
Top 5.
Cheopz Safe Watch Winder Box for 12 automatic watches, with dual digital and card key lock security. Strong security. The safe watch winder is constructed by the solid steel with 18mm explosion-proof glass viewing window, has dual door locking bolts and a pry-resistant hinge bar. Intelligent detector alarm system. Easy to mount to the wall or floor with pre-drilled holes in the safe. Professional watch winder with super silent gear-driven Jan Pains motors. This safe winder can rotate 12 automatic watches at max, with flex foam cushions. 4 different rotation modes for each watch holder setting, by a 12H active phase and a 12H resting phase. LCD touch panel and LED light, with the LCD display touch panel on the safe door, convenient to control and check all the safe settings. Motion sensing LED light inside the safe can last 20 seconds after activated. If no more motion trigger again, then auto off.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.